This video is going to cover the My Call Log functionality within the OfficeSuite portal. On the overview screen, the My Call Log tile will display your last 50 calls, both inbound and outbound. From this tile, you can filter by sent, answered, or missed calls, or view all call types if you choose. You can also view this information for all of your extensions, or you can select an extension from this drop-down if applicable. Also, if you are logged into a device, you can click on the green phone number to return a call or redial. You can access your full call log by hovering over My Services on the left and click on My Call Log. Your call log is kept for 90 days, and you can either view this information for all of your extensions or by selecting a particular extension from this drop-down, if applicable. If you need to keep the call log for more than 90 days, you have the ability to export the data to Excel so it can be saved to your computer by clicking the Export to Excel button. This list is going to show you calls that have either been made, received, or missed. Down at the bottom, there may be multiple pages of call data that you can click to page by page, or you can change how many items are displayed with this dropdown. The first column shows the type of call, which is indicated by an icon. If you hover over the icon, it will display the type of call. This blue icon with the arrow pointing out indicates an outbound call was made, while this icon with the red X indicates that the inbound call was missed. This icon with a single phone and an arrow pointing in indicates an incoming call not from a group, whereas this icon with two phones and an arrow pointing in indicates an inbound call from a group. The next column will show the phone number, which will be displayed in green and can be clicked on if you are logged into a device. In this column, if you are allowed to block numbers, you can click the blue block button. Once you indicate yes, you will receive a green banner, and now it is showing as blocked. Then, if you want to go ahead and unblock that number, you can click the red unblock button, click yes, and then that phone number will no longer be blocked. If not allowed is listed in this column, that means that the call was made anonymously, as shown here, or by someone within your organization from an internal extension. Those types of numbers cannot be blocked. The next column will display the name of the caller. It may list a PSTN name as the phone number that called you, or an internal extension call will list the name tied to that extension. The next column will display the date and time the call was received or placed. And then the next column will show you how the call was answered. If you made the call, it will state it was answered externally, but these examples down here are inbound calls that you missed that went to voicemail. The final column will show the duration of the call in hours, minutes, and seconds. From this screen, you can also view your list of blocked numbers by clicking on the Manage Blocked Numbers button. The blocked numbers functionality is covered in a separate video. That concludes the My Call Log deep dive video for the OfficeSuite portal.